In this video, we show how to replace the power shelf enclosure in a Dell Integrated Rack IR7000. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To begin, start by gracefully shutting down all sleds, remove all PSUs from the shelf, disconnect the power whip connector, and take out the PMC. To remove the power shelf enclosure, move the screws securing the power shelf to the rails. Using both hands, carefully slide it out of the rack. To install the power shelf, ensure the rails are properly installed. Carefully slide the power shelf into the rack and secure it with screws. Finally, reinstall all PSUs, the PMC, and the power whip. Reconnect the cables and power on the system. For more information or support about the Dell Integrated Rack IR7000, visit dell.com/support.